Good morning, students. It's our next topic of chapter number 5, legislature, that is function and powers of parliament, means the functions and powers of Rajya Sabha as well as Lok Sabha. So, first we are going to discuss about the powers and functions of Rajya Sabha. So, Rajya Sabha has legislative functions, the financial powers, constitutional amendment powers, control over executive, miscellaneous powers, and special powers of Rajya Sabha, and same in Lok Sabha, that legislative, financial, constitutional amendment, control over executive, miscellaneous powers, both having the same powers. But if we are talking about the special powers, then Lok Sabha is more powerful than Rajya Sabha. And now Rajya Sabha is the upper house and Lok Sabha is lower house. Rajya Sabha is a permanent house and Lok Sabha is a non-permanent house. But after that, Lok Sabha having more powers, like special powers on money bill. Rajya Sabha only can hold the money bill and give some suggestions and recommendation, but it depends on the Lok Sabha or the running government that the house accept the suggestions or recommendations. Now the legislative powers, all bills except money bill originate in Rajya Sabha. In the case of any deadlock on a non-money bill, both house sit together in a joint session where the issues, the controversies, the debates, discussions decided by the majority of the present and voting members. On financial powers, money bill cannot be introduced in Rajya Sabha because it is introduced by the running government. So for the Lok Sabha, after a money bill has been passed, it's sent to Rajya Sabha for its recommendations. Rajya Sabha enjoys only a delaying power of 14 days. After 14 days or on the 15th day, the bill will automatically passed. So, in simply, we can say that Rajya Sabha only can hold the bill for 14 days, nothing else. The amendment powers, both houses enjoy an equal power to amend the constitution. If a bill passed by the majority of the opinion, so they can easily amend the constitution. Control over the executive, the council of ministers is responsible only to the Lok Sabha, and the Rajya Sabha exercise to control the executive by means of that asking questions and discussions, debates, adjournment sessions, and the supplement through the supplementary questions in the 0 hours, etc. Miscellaneous powers, Rajya Sabha along with Lok Sabha participate in the election of president and the vice president. This forms an important electoral power of Rajya Sabha, simply electoral college. Rajya Sabha along with the Lok Sabha investigate on any case of impeachment related to the president, the judges of Supreme Court and the High Court. This constitutes a judicial power of Rajya Sabha, means Rajya Sabha having a judicial power on the process of impeachment, and the approval of both the houses of parliament in case of emergencies is essential, means through the state or through the governor, if there is any recommendation of presidential rule or emergency, then Rajya Sabha recommend it to the higher level or the ministry to the Lok Sabha. Special powers of Rajya Sabha, Rajya Sabha as the council of states enjoy the powers exclusive to it. According to the article number 249, the national on the issue of national interest, the Rajya Sabha may pass a resolution empowering the parliament to make laws on the subject mentioned in the state list. Means if the according to the recommendation of the state government, Rajya Sabha can demand or present a bill in front of Lok Sabha or the central government to make laws on the state list issues. Rajya Sabha under to the article number 312 may declare the certain new all India services in the national interest. Now the functions of Lok Sabha. Legislative functions. A non-money bill can be expressed in both the houses, but a money bill originate in Lok Sabha only. A non-money bill, both the house, Rajya Sabha as well as the Lok Sabha enjoys the equal power, but on the issue of money bill, Lok Sabha is more powerful than Rajya Sabha. On the issue of deadlock on the ordinary bills, both houses sit together, the same function, sit together for a joint meeting, where the Lok Sabha enjoy the numerical advantages, means having same some more powers. Financial power, money bill can be originated only in Lok Sabha, and Lok Sabha can remove a government if a money bill is rejected on the floor of the house. On the amendment bill, both the houses having the same uh, powers, same function on the issue of constitutional amendment. Executive, the council of ministers is responsible to the Lok Sabha, and Lok Sabha can pass a no confidence motion against the council of minister headed by the prime minister, or means the council of minister have to uh, accountable, responsive towards the government or the Lok Sabha. The Lok Sabha controls the executive through the adjoining motions and asking the questions through the supplementary questions, debates, discussions, etc. Miscellaneous powers. Lok Sabha along with Rajya Sabha elects the president and the vice president through the electoral college. Lok Sabha also enjoys, or with the Rajya Sabha, investigate in any case of impeachment related to the president, the judges of Supreme Court, the judges of High Court. It is also a judicial power of Lok Sabha, just like Rajya Sabha. The approval of both the houses in case of emergency is essential, means emergency can be implemented through the recommendation of PM and his council of ministers. Now the comparison of the powers of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Powers of Lok Sabha. First we talk about the Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha can make law on any subject included in the central list and in the concurrent list. Both money and non-money bill can be enacted and amended on this house. On the topic of concurrent list, if there is any controversy between, because on the concurrent list, central government as well as the state government both having the equal power to amend or to make laws, but if there is any controversy between both on any topic or any subject of concurrent list, then the state governments or the Lok Sabha's decision is given priority through the constitution, means having more power on concurrent list subject. It approves the approvals for taxation, budget, annual financial statement. It amend the constitution, control over the executive by asking the question and the supplementary question through the resolutions, and to maintain the confidence motion in Lok Sabha. Executive is responsible only to the Lok Sabha. It approves the proclamation of emergency through the recommendation of the president, through the recommendation of the PM, and his council. President can announce the emergency, the time period of emergency. Lok Sabha elects and removes the president and vice president and the judges of Supreme Court and High Court through the process of electoral college. Lok Sabha has exclusive power to approve or rejection of money bill. A non-money bill, both houses enjoy the equal powers, but on the money bill, Lok Sabha having the more powers. Through the on the deadlock, a joint session is held through Lok Sabha enjoys the numerical advantages. Now the Rajya Sabha, it is the upper house of the parliament, and consider and approve the non-money bills. In case of money bill, it can only suggest or give some recommendations and hold the money bill for only for 14 days. It has no power on the issue of taxation, budgetary, annual financial statements. On the amendments, it also approves the constitutional amendment It controls the executive by asking the questions, the adjoining sessions, by asking the supplementary questions, etc. Executive is not responsible for to Rajya Sabha. It is responsible to Lok Sabha only. On the emergency issue, it also is empowered in this regard. Means through the Rajya Sabha, there is the means Rajya Sabha also present a recommendation in front of PM and his council for emergency issues. It also means Lok Sabha also participate in the election or the removal process of president, vice president, Supreme Court judges and High Court judges, and Rajya Sabha along can initiate the procedure of removal of vice president. Means through the electoral college, Rajya Sabha can take part in election process as well as in impeachment process. Rajya Sabha only hold or enjoys the powers on money bill, that house only delay for 14 days. A non-money bill, both the houses have equal powers. On the issue of deadlock, a joint session is held where the Rajya Sabha also enjoys the various disadvantages. Now, the evaluation of Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha, we can say a better position, not having a better position accordingly, according to our constitution, that Lok Sabha having more powerful. Our constitution has made Rajya Sabha a very valuable house, because it is considered as a upper house or the representative of the states. There are various issues on which both the houses have equal position and equal powers, including the election procedure of president or judges, supreme vice president, and the removal process of the judges of the Supreme Court and High Court, the proclamation of emergency or the ordinance or the constitutional amendment. And in spite of enjoying an inferior position, Rajya Sabha is of the supreme value due to the basic reasons that the permanent chamber, it is the permanent chamber or the upper house. Lok Sabha is not a subject to dissolution, or whenever Lok Sabha is dissolved, Rajya Sabha plays an important role in the absence of Lok Sabha in approval of various cases related to the proclamation of emergency by the president and the presidential rule in a state. Means also Rajya Sabha can give suggestions or demand to frame the laws on the list of state list issues and subjects of state list. Rajya Sabha has special powers related to the adoption of resolution for certain issues, like the creation of national laws on the subject mentioned on the state list. Similarly, it helps in creation of all Indian services. The house is a house of elder statements. Means important public bills have been introduced in Rajya Sabha first, then have been benefited by the opinions of the senior parliaments. And now the Lok Sabha, it obviously it is the house of the running government, so it has more powers in the comparison of Rajya Sabha. After that, Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha is a superior to Rajya Sabha because an ordinary laws, both the houses of parliament have equal powers, but on the issue of a money bill, Lok Sabha is more powerful than Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha only gives some suggestions on or recommendations on the money bill issues, but after 14 days, it if Rajya Sabha cannot pass the bill, automatically it will pass on the 15th days. On the issue of the joint session, Lok Sabha enjoys the various powers and various majority power on over the Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha has more powers on the financial issues, just like on the money bill. And most important power of the Lok Sabha is to control over the Council of Ministers. Means Lok Sabha is responsible, is answerable, is accountable to towards the Council of Ministers. Only a party which enjoys the majority in Lok Sabha can form the government. Means a party who got the more than 50 plus ones majority in the parliament frame its government. The leader of the party, a party who got majority in the elections, that party's leader appointed as prime minister. And if the Lok Sabha passes a no confidence motion against the council of ministers, the government has to quit. Rajya Sabha has no longer such type of any power.